So
we go to System Settings, Preference, and switch down hydraulic control to manual. And come back to motor control, right. Click up. And it's like that. Like that way. So to calibrate, after we've got our settings there, go into calibration. Take the inputs you're interested in calibrating. Put in your load limit if it's necessary. Make sure it's at multi-point curve. Have it at quick click. Select your initial, is that your initial A to D counts?
yeah. And then we can clear the point and it will show
The current value. There's this. We have this set up. Here's our monitor that's showing us. This is our calibration instrument for these purposes.
So we'll say that this is our 0 point. We'll set that. And then we'll say we want to start at 50,000. We want to set a first point at 50,000 pounds-force. So we'll clear that point. And it's showing the A to D counts there. So we'll run our calibration instrument up to 50,000. And we didn't start at 0, so this isn't really an accurate calibration, but just for example purposes.
Yeah, this is just to show the process.
So we'll try to get it close to 50,000, and it'll bleed back a little bit, so it's difficult to get exactly right, but your calibrator will have his own technique about how he would like to do it, but we'll get it as close as we can, watching it bleed back and hit set point.
So there's a little bit of timing involved.
Yes. Different people who calibrate have different techniques for the way they like to do it, but for just a quick sample calibration purpose, then this works pretty well. And then you can continue down the line and you say you wanted to do 100,000. Then you just follow the same procedure. Clear the point, run the calibration machine for the next step.
You can see he's controlling using the motor control to fine-tune this to about right.
And then we'll wait for our point here. It'll bleed back a little bit slower if you go over. And there we go. And then you can continue down the line, and when you're done, you just hit next, set a name for it, and hit the save button. And I don't want to delete my calibration, so I'm not going to do that this time. But and then you've got a calibration set, and it'll should show the correct values here for whatever units you have selected, and you should be good to go.
There you go.